Welcome to English Trail.
Stop. Before you scroll away, listen to this one thing. Most people learn English the wrong way, and that's exactly why they never speak it well, even after years of trying.
They memorize grammar rules. They study long word lists. They read books quietly in their room. And then one day, someone talks to them and nothing comes out. Sound familiar?
That's not your fault. Nobody taught you the right way. So today, we're going to show you the right way, and we're going to do it together, right now, using only easy words, so you don't get lost even for 1 second.
No boring grammar today. No hard vocabulary. Just simple words, real sentences, and real practice. Let's start.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Trail. I'm Ryan, and this is day 5 of our 30-day journey together.
And I'm Sophie. If you're still here with us on day 5, that already tells me something. You're not one of those people who gives up after one try. You keep showing up, and that's exactly how fluency happens.
Today we're doing something a little different. We're not going to ask you the same old boring questions like, what is your name or how are you? You already know those. Today we're going to use real simple sentences about real life, the kind people actually say every day.
Stay with us because by the end of today, you'll have new sentences, new words, and a lot more confidence than you had 5 minutes ago. Let's begin.
Let's start easy. Sophie, tell me one small thing that happened to you today in one simple sentence.
My coffee got cold before I even finished it.
Perfect. Short and clear. That's the goal today. Small, real sentences. Nothing complicated.
Your turn, Ryan. Tell me one small thing from your day.
I lost my keys for 10 minutes this morning, right before leaving the house.
Great. Now repeat this line with us, everyone. I lost my keys this morning.
I lost my keys this morning.
Now you, listening right now, say one small true sentence about your own day, out loud, before we continue.
Let's move into real situations, easy words only. Sophie, you play different people, and I respond naturally.
Let's go. Scene 1. Your bag is too heavy at the airport and someone offers to help. That bag looks heavy. Do you need a hand?
Yes, please. That would really help.
No problem at all. Just follow me.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
See how simple that was? No hard words, just kindness and clear sentences.
Now you switch, Sophie. Scene 2. You miss the bus and you're talking to a friend on the phone. Hey, I just missed the bus. I might be a bit late.
That's okay. Take your time. I'll wait for you.
Thanks. I owe you one.
Don't worry about it. Just get here safe.
One more. Scene 3. You're trying new food for the first time. This tastes really different, but I actually like it.
Really? I wasn't sure you would enjoy it.
Honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised.
That's such a natural way to react. Simple words, real feeling.
Now let's build real speaking speed. Repeat every line with us immediately. No pause needed, just flow with us.
My phone battery died at the worst time. I missed an important call, then I finally found my charger, and I felt so relieved. But by then, it was already too late, so I just laughed it off and moved on with my day.
Notice that. One connected story, simple words, no stopping. Let's do another one together.
I woke up late today. I rushed to get ready. I forgot my umbrella. Then it started raining, so I got a little wet. But honestly, it wasn't such a big deal in the end.
See how natural that sounds? Real life, simple words, one smooth flow, exactly how people actually talk.
One more together. Say it with us. I tried something new today. It felt a little strange at first, but I slowly got used to it, and now I actually enjoy it more than I expected.
Let's learn 5 simple words that instantly make your English sound more natural.
Word 1. Relieved, meaning you feel calm after worry ends. I felt relieved when my flight wasn't delayed.
Word 2. Rushed, meaning you did something quickly because of little time. I rushed to catch the train this morning.
Word 3. Surprised, meaning something unexpected happened. I was surprised when my friend showed up early.
Word 4. Exhausted, meaning very tired, more than usual. I felt exhausted after that long day at work.
Word 5. Comfortable, meaning relaxed and at ease. I finally feel comfortable speaking English out loud.
5 simple words. Try saying each one in your own true sentence, right now, out loud.
Before we finish day 5, 5 simple tips that genuinely help.
1. Stop learning the wrong way. Stop memorizing long word lists alone. Start speaking out loud every single day instead.
2. Describe your real day in English, right when it happens, even quietly in your head.
3. Use simple words on purpose. You don't need difficult vocabulary to sound confident.
4. Speak in full, connected thoughts. Don't stop after every single word. Let your sentences flow naturally.
5. Remember, real fluency comes from real practice, not from perfect grammar.
That's day 5 complete. Today you avoided the wrong way of learning and instead practiced real, simple, connected English.
Your homework today? Describe your whole day in one flowing paragraph, using at least one of today's 5 words.
If today felt different and hopefully better, follow us so you don't miss day 6 tomorrow.
Simple words, real practice, real progress. That's the right way to learn. See you tomorrow for day 6.
Bye, everyone.
See you then.